In this video, I am going to explain Notepad++ dual view or split window. Dual view or split window is a one function. It will split the edit window into two parts. At present, Notepad can do only two window port only, and that port can be arranged in vertical or in horizontal position. This split window is very much useful to compare two files, and we can refer one file and edit another file. Like that, easily we can manipulate between two files. Same way, we can copy some content of one file and we can paste it to another file. Notepad++ have two functions in the split window. One is move to other view and another one is a clone to other view. Now we have opened the Notepad++ and in which already I have opened 4 files in window. Now we have to see how we have to split the window for placing our different files in different window. For that there are two options are available. One option, we have to select which file we have to send it to another window. I am planning to send it this h1 php. Then you have to select that file, then right click. In the bottommost one command is there, move to other view. Just click move to other view, then automatically Notepad++ split the entire edit area into two part, and in left hand part it will keep all other files, and only whatever file we selected, that file is moved to the right hand part. Here you can see the h1 php function php is moved to right hand side window, and automatically next nearer left hand file, that a4 dashboard attendance is kept as a current file in the left hand side window. So this is the one way of splitting the window and keep our files. Another option is just you have to highlight what are the files you want to send it to other window. Then go to view menu. In the view menu, you have to move clone current document command, then move to other view. Then also it will move our files to the other window. So now you know how to split the window and keep that file. So now two windows are available. Anytime we can change our files to other window. For that there are two options are available. One is you have to same way you have to right click it and click move to other view. Automatically this window is moved to other. Another options, you can straight away in click it and drag it that file and leave it in the window. Then also this file will be moved to another window. This is a one easiest method to move the files from between windows. This drag and drop mode will work only if you selected the settings in the preference window. For that, actually you have to go to settings, preference. In that, one option is lock, no, drag and drop. Suppose if you checked this lock, then you can't do any this drag and drop functions. Suppose I am clicking also, it will not move to any window. If you want to enable that function again, then you have to go to the setting, preference, then uncheck the lock and no drag and drop function, then you can close it. So the main advantage of splitting the window, we can see in this I have written one function which will calculate the Sunday and Saturday with the submitting month. For that I am inserting one file h function h1 php function php. So that h1 php function only I opened here. Then I can scroll it. I will match the Sunday Saturday calculation function, that is sun call, and here I am calling the same function sun call with three argument. We can make it any position of one file here and make it any position of another file here. We can compare and we will check it up the functions and its parameters. Suppose I want one identical file with almost same functions or same contents are written in the file. So here I am selected one A4 dashboard attendance, and in the other window I selected A2 attendance owner. Suppose I want to compare both the contents and do some edit in one file. For that I have to scroll down the both the contents, then only I can line by line I can easily compare it. For that, Notepad++ has given an option. We can synchronize the vertical scrolling. For that, you have to just click the icon available in the synchronize vertical scrolling. Then that mode is switched on. Now you can see just I am scrolling one window, then automatically other window also synchronized and scroll and match the line by line. We can also do the vertical scrolling by selecting view and synchronize vertical scrolling. Already we selected this mode by through icon tool, so here it is already checked. Same way, if you want to horizontally scroll that two page, then you have to click another icon, synchronize horizontal scrolling. This also we can do it with our view menu. Now you can see I am just moving my horizontal scroll bar, then parallelly this another window also move horizontally. Now we can do it vertical scrolling as well as horizontal scrolling in the synchronized way. And other option to manipulate the window size, just move your mouse over this double dotted line, then one double headed arrow will be appear. Just click the left hand mouse button, then drag any side, then you can resize your window. This can be adjusted to either side, left or right. Suppose I want to minimize the one port and do edit in the other port. For that reason, one small triangle is provided in top corner. Just click that, it will minimize the left hand side viewport. But please remember, it will minimize the left hand side viewport only. Suppose you want to bring back the left hand side port also, then you have to select that mini triangle, double click it, then the two ports will be visible again. Another functions in the dual viewport, we can rotate the port in any directions. Suppose you want to make it this two port in horizontal way, then just you will highlight your mouse in the double dotted line, then right click it, then it will give two options, rotate to right and rotate to left. Rotate to right means it will rotate the two windows in the clockwise directions. In the first click of rotate to right, now your view is changed to horizontal directions. This rotate left will rotate the entire function to the anti-clockwise direction. Now we will see other functions, clone other view. The main difference between move other view and clone other view is, in the move other view, it will move the file whatever you selected that file to the right hand side window. In the clone other view, it will make one more copy of the same file in the right hand side window. For this also you have to right click the file what you want to make it a clone, then clone to other view command you have to select, then the file will be duplicated in the right hand side window. You see same file A2 attendant owner PHP, and here also A2 attendant owner PHP files is. The main advantage of cloning the file is, suppose I have a one function here. In the function I have referred a lot of input box in that function to collect the data. So here I want to see SE1 and S1, S2. S1 is what is its mean. Then I have to select the right hand side window. Then I have to position the input box S1. Then we can easily understand this S1 box is used to getting in time of the attendance. Write a functions, I can easily understand which ID is used for getting input. For that reason, this clone editing is very much useful to edit the same file with the different location. Thank you for watching my video, and please subscribe my channel to grow and share more technical videos. Thank you once again, and bye.